Welcome home, Bitcoin truth seekers. It is still Saturday. It is July 3rd, 4:32 p.m. here in the Arizona desert. As always, check out bitcoindailyview.com. Got more for you there. Going to take a quick look at the market this afternoon just to see how things have evolved. So we'll be very Bitcoin specific and make this super quick. All right. Spot trading volume is still down. It's down 20% last 24 hours on Binance. So really not much spot trading volume whatsoever. Looking at Bitcoin trading volume explicitly, 2.4 billion. That is nothing. Binance has 1.6 billion of that. So basically, there's no retail, not much spot trading at all in Binance, nor Bitcoin trading volume. Honestly, I would say this is even a bit low for a holiday. Longs 56%, shorts 43% on Binance for Bitcoin. For Ethereum, 54% longs, 45% shorts. So a slight long sentiment right there. Let's go straight to what we're looking at. I just wanted to make a note of this. So we had this beautiful break above the 200 moving average, which we did see earlier. We went sideways with a slight uptrend, and now I thought we were going to complete a perfect Bart pattern here, and go all the way down. Just, boom, right back where we started and then start going sideways again. That would make sense. But note what we did, though. We had this beautiful break above the 200 moving average. Wonderful. Sideways, slight uptrend. Dump. Kind of a Bart pattern, but look at that. Perfect 200 moving average bounce. And now we're gaining some positive volume. Directional index is still in the green. ADX is high, trending downwards a little bit, but I bet that's going to turn around. Squeeze indicator is in a spot where it could go negative or positive. KRI is pointing back up. Stochastic RSI looks like we've shaken off an overbought market on this short 45-minute time frame. Looks like we're going to start to, if I expand this here, you can kind of see we're definitely at the bottom here, so that's going to start to trend up. It's really in a nice buy zone. Wave trend oscillator by a lazy bear is showing a downtrend. It's not showing an uptrend yet, but in general, this is wonderful. A typical perfect Bart pattern. Only thing that wasn't right about it was a slight uptrend here, not completely sideways. We dumped. I thought Bart pattern, here we come, we're done. But it bounced very strong off the 200 moving average, and the Madrid ribbons are still all green. This is wonderful. So let's see how this evolves. This is not bad for a Saturday on a holiday weekend. Still do note there's really no retail buying, selling. Basically, there's no retail volume that I can see the way that I measure it. So be watchful. These moves, in my opinion, are probably all whale moves, and you know how they roll. They're going to do what they're going to do. Quick look at Doge. It was looking hopeful this morning to get back above that 200 moving average on a 45-minute chart. This dump really kind of killed it. Shiba Inu above the 200 moving average still. It took a hard dump with Bitcoin, but it's turning around also. Looks like that will continue to move up. It's kind of showing relatively the same indicators as Bitcoin. It's very strong. I like what I'm seeing there. Good to go. As always, over at Bitcoin Daily View and in the description of the video, you know what? All the cool kids are using the Crypto.com card. Just a recommendation. I have it. I like it. Celsius Wallet. Make interest on your HODL. Might as well. Why not? One last note. A link to it over at bitcoindailyview.com, and I'll put it in the description. It's a friend of mine, David Devine. I mentioned him the other day. He's kind of attacked by Vice. He's really an amazing space weather and Grand Solar Minimum researcher, and he made a rebuttal which is just poetic, and it really shows what extreme retards and social degenerates and just garbage the crew of Vice actually is. They should be ashamed of themselves. I don't even think that they're technically humans. With that said, bitcoindailyview.com always got more for you there. And remember, for every Bitcoin Satoshi you own, you make a piece of shit banker and one of the degenerate crew over there at Vice cry. And that's a beautiful thing, because they need to. Amen. Talk to you again soon.